Hey there! Today we're going to show you how to get all Clockify time tracking notifications directly in Pumble. If you're looking for a way to have time tracking reminders in Pumble, this integration will help you with that. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have both workspaces, Pumble and Clockify. Then, in Pumble, open the Apps tab in your sidebar and select the Clockify by Cake.com integration. This is a native integration in your Pumble account, so you don't need any installation. Next, click on the Set Preferences here, or head over to Clockify Preferences and find the Pumble Notifications tab. In the Pumble Notifications tab, enable Pumble Notifications You Want for a workspace you want. Choose the workspace and then choose the notifications. You have three options. The first one is Approval. When enabling these notifications, you'll receive a message when a timesheet is submitted, rejected, withdrawn, or approved. The second option is Time Off Notifications. You'll receive a message when your balance is updated or a time off request is submitted, approved, or rejected. And last but not least are Reminders. By enabling this option, you'll receive a message when you or your teammates miss or go over time tracking targets or forget to submit or approve timesheets and expenses. You can enable any one, two, or all three options if you want. It's up to you. All this boosts transparency and accountability so your team spends less time chasing timesheets and more time doing real work. Connect Clockify to Pumble today and stay on top of time. Enjoy your Pumble integrations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.